אנגלית שאלון ו', מודיול F, גרסה א', תשס"ח, מועד ב'. הוראות מיוחדות. 1. עליך לכתוב את כל תשובותיך בגוף השאלון במקומות המיועדים לכך. 2. כתוב את כל תשובותיך באנגלית ובעת בלבד. אסור להשתמש בטיפקס. 3. בתום הבחינה החזר את השאלון למשגיח. ההנחיות בשאלון זה מנוסחות בלשון זכר ומכוונות לנבחנות ולנבחנים כאחד.
Part 1. Access to information from written text. Read the text below and then answer questions 1 to 6. Help our robots save the world. Robots have come a long way since the days when they were science fiction creatures designed to help their masters cope with everyday chores. Today they are very real indeed and capable of assisting in much more important tasks. Here at the Institute for Environmental Robotics, INSTER, we are dedicated to creating robots that can help us meet the most urgent challenge of all, protecting the environment. Founded in 2003, INSTER is a non-profit organization that relies for its funding on people like you who care about the planet. INSTER uses the latest in robotic technology to help solve ecological problems and protect endangered species. Take the whooping crane, for instance. This endangered bird owes its existence mainly to zoos, where the eggs are hatched in incubators. But biologists notice that eggs hatch more successfully in the nest. So we made robotic eggs that look real enough to fool even the most devoted whooping crane mothers. Then we slip them into nest in the bird's natural habitat. The eggs constantly measure temperature and humidity and record when the parent turns them and sits on them, allowing zoologists to mimic the process in the incubators. We've also got robotic dogs detecting chemical pollutants in industrial areas. Built in our lab with the help of high school students, the dogs are programmed to work together, communicating with each other and comparing signals. As soon as they identify a certain level of pollution in the ground, they bark out a popular tune. The project not only locates pollutants, but at the same time gets youngsters interested in ecological issues. Then there are times when all a researcher needs is a good pair of eyes. Humans tend to miss a lot, especially when they're being baked by a hot sun or bitten by poisonous snakes out in the field. Since robots are immune to such distractions, we already have some hidden beneath desert sands and in swamps, sending back information about the organisms living in these inaccessible and dangerous environments. In the future, we plan to develop robots that will record the behavior of bears, gorillas, and giant pandas in nature. Further plans include getting more youngsters involved in our cause, but none of this will be possible without your help. Your donation is urgently needed to enable us to continue our efforts to harness advanced technology for the good of the planet. So why not make a contribution to this important work? For detailed information on our unique and exciting projects, go to www.inster.org. Questions. Answer questions 1 to 6 in English according to the text. In questions 4 and 6, circle the number of the correct answer. In the other questions, follow the instructions. 1. What do we learn about INSTER from lines 1 to 7? Give 2 answers. Complete the answers. 1. Why INSTER 2. Why INSTER 2. Complete the sentence according to lines 8 to 15. The robotic eggs are used to find out how to 3. What are we told about all the robots described in lines 8 to 26? Put a V by the 2 correct answers. 1. How popular they are with researchers. 2. How they help collect information. 3. How INSTER designed them. 4. Which technologies they help develop. 5. Where they are used. 6. How long they've been in use. 4. How are the robots described in lines 16 to 21 different from the other robots described in the text? 1. They provide more information. 2. They are useful mainly to students. 3. They have an educational purpose. 4. They are technologically advanced. 5. What point is made in lines 22 to 26? Complete the sentence. Inster's robots are doing things that, 6. What do the writers explain in the last paragraph? 1. Which of Inster's projects is the most expensive? 2. How readers of the newsletter can help Inster. 3. Which of Inster's new projects is aimed at youngsters? 4. What people like about Inster's website. Part 2, Written Presentation. Write 120 to 140 words in English on the following topic. 7. Your school newspaper has asked readers to write on the following topic. If you could be any age at all, older, younger, or the age you are now, what would you choose? Write a passage for the newspaper describing some of the things you like about the age you chose. Use this page and the next, numbers 5 and 6, for writing a rough draft.
בהצלחה.